The appearance is quite nice and the way works very simple. As we take them closer, we can see that we have a deftly designed body and a 360-degree ball joint clip. This holder had a latch with 2 positions. When you go to number 2 position, it closes the latch tightly. You can see it right here if you look. When you go to number 1 position, it closes not completely. You see? It's a flexible design no matter your elven blade is thin or thick, and it will protect your elven blade perfectly through this rubber mat. The unit itself also had a nice quality rubber layer, protects your phone from scratches here, also on the side and on the bottom. Look here, it has curves here to hold your cell phone nicely. And on the back, it has a little button right here. Push it, and that opens up and expands with the unit. The ball joint on here to install is pretty easy. You unscrew this, and you put it over the ball joint with the screw wide facing outwards. Then you push the ball joint into this and tighten it. It will lock this ball joint quite nicely. And then you push the button, the arm expands, and then you put your phone in and adjust the extension arm to fix your phone. It is quite freestyle phone holder for your van mount, so you can freely turn the unit like this and this. The bottom had a location reserved for the headphone jack and the charging cable jack, which will not affect the normal use of the phone.